Is Google secretly penalizing AI content? Are you risking it all by relying on AI for your website? I'm going to take you through what Google said about AI content versus what their leaked documents say and give you actual strategies to stay ahead of their updates. Lock in till the end to find out how to use your current AI content without getting penalized. Let's get right. There's been a lot of talk around AI and its role in content creation and in SEO. AI tools like ChatGPT and others I've reviewed on this channel have completely changed how we write content. Pretty much immediately after AI was released, people started filling up their sites with AI content, hundreds, sometimes thousands of articles. Some of those articles started ranking pretty good, till they just fell off. Is Google penalizing AI content? And if so, how bad is it? Let's look into what Google said versus what the actual leaked documents say. Officially, Google claims they don't automatically penalize AI-generated content as long as it's high quality. I broke this all the way down in another video. I'll link it here. Google's official stance is that you can use AI content as long as it's of high quality and useful to users. They've stated that AI content isn't penalized outright. Instead, they focus on the quality of the content. They added a few things to address issues like automation to generate low quality or unoriginal content at scale. They've even put manual actions on websites using too much spammy AI content. The March 2024 update specifically targets AI-generated copycat content, and it aims to reduce unhelpful, low-quality content by 40%. This means that Google is actively working to improve the quality of content available to the users, but it also means that AI content raises a flag for Google to take another look at your page. So if you're thinking about flooding your site with thousands of AI articles,
stop it. Get some help.
Here's where it gets interesting. Leaked Google API documents suggest a golden flag that gives extra weight to human written content over AI written content. This flag might be why websites using AI content were hit hard by the March 2024 update. Many websites using AI content saw their traffic drop after that update. This gold standard document shows a clear preference for human written content. The leaked documents also mention that AI content is more likely to be checked for quality and originality. This makes sense with the significant drop in traffic we've seen on AI-heavy websites. Google said, yeah, go ahead and use AI content. I know that some websites are still ranking well with AI content. Like most things, it depends on the industry. But overall, most sites with AI content are seeing some pretty serious declines. This inconsistency makes it even more crucial to stay on point and look ahead for future updates. I remember reading an article about this update, and the phrase, "using AI carries risks," stuck with me. This is why I've always been cautious about using AI content on websites that I care about. Regardless of Google's current stance, they could change their policy overnight and wipe the SERPs of all AI content. This uncertainty is why I started running AI content through detectors early on with this channel. I thought that would be an important thing to know when choosing AI writers. It's better to be safe than sorry, or like I say, stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. So how do you use AI content without getting penalized? The key is to make your AI content undetectable. I'll pin the top undetectable AI writers video in the corner. One effective strategy is to use AI to polish rough content. For example, speak everything you need into a recording, upload it to ChatGPT, and tell it to transform it into a professional document. This method makes sure your content remains unique and keeps that human touch. It's like having an editor on hand to polish your rough drafts. I'll have the link in the description for another software called RambleFix. It's an AI-powered tool that transcribes, organizes, and enhances spoken words, perfect for things like note-taking, email drafting, and content creation. It can even transcribe meetings, lectures, interviews, and translate multiple languages. RambleFix takes your spoken notes, transcribes, and refines them using AI. You can upload files for transcription too. By using something like RambleFix, you can be sure your content remains high quality and less likely to be flagged by Google's algorithms. This is especially useful for creating many different types of content and maintaining consistency on your site. Think of it as a personal assistant that doesn't take coffee breaks.
Brother, this guy stinks!
Now let's talk about what to do about your current AI content and how to make sure your future content is undetectable and high quality. My favorite method is using WriteHuman. This tool rewrites AI-generated content to make it undetectable. It's really a game changer for anyone looking to stay under the radar while still capitalizing on the efficiency of AI. With WriteHuman, you can easily paste in your AI content and it'll rewrite it in a way that passes AI detection. This way, your content stays high quality and authentic without the risk of penalties. The rewritten content keeps the original message, but enhances the style and readability, making it more engaging for your users when compared to typical AI writing. It's like running your content through a human filter. AI writes it, WriteHuman makes it human. If you rely heavily on AI for content, but want to miss Google's golden flag, click the link in the description to try WriteHuman for free. Remember, while AI is changing how we do everything in SEO, it's crucial to stay ahead of the updates and adapt to changes in Google's policies. Keep your content high quality, human-like, and use the best AI tools available by subscribing to the channel for AI SEO tips, news, and reviews. Check out these other videos of AI software you should be using.